What is law? What is government? Within every society, there are rules of behavior. Some of these rules are non-coercive. For example, in my culture, one rule of behavior is that we should tip when we get decent service at a restaurant. Another rule is that we should show gratitude when receiving a gift. Other rules are coercive. For example, if someone violates a contract, or if someone commits assault or battery. The coercive rules are rules such that your personal property may be seized and/or physical force may be used in order to enforce these rules, but not the non-coercive rules. So what is law? Law is the definition of these coercive rules. In that case, what is government? Government is a monopolist in the field of law. What do I mean by that? Government is a group of people who are widely perceived to have the exclusive right to make and enforce laws that are binding on everyone within a given territory. This is a monopoly because if anyone else was to even try to enforce a law that the government made, that is, use physical force to secure obedience, that person would be considered a vigilante and would be subject to physical force himself. Also, if anyone was to presume to have the right to make laws that are binding on everyone within the given territory, that person or entity would come up against the government and would be shut down. However, government is presumed to have the right to make and enforce laws that are binding on everyone within a given territory and to be the sole organization with such an ability. This is similar to the classic definition of a state. This goes back to Max Weber, who was considered one of the founders of the discipline of sociology. He said, "The state is, quote, a human community that successfully claims the monopoly of the legitimate use of physical force within a given territory," end quote.